I spoke to Soul Penduga yesterday, guys.
You shared. You spoke to me.
On a video call, bruh. I was crying.
I don't know.
Manje kusengubeni uthe sandile uleleleni ngisandile kubeni. I was like, no, it's lo. It's not your responsibility. Don't tell me shit. And then this person that texts me, that's how I got the fucking blue eye.
Uvulela umntana ke protection order. And now he's dead. And he's been
at the government morgue.
Yeah, at the government morgue for weeks now. Umtshita naye uthi hayi angizingeni now.
If ever
Right, Max Mazulu. Bye.
Mount Zulu ni Africa leyo baba.
iAfrica yonke lezo lonke leyazi ukuthi bawuthi ngumZulu. Yingakho bathi akuphumshana elilodwa kunelilo kunjani umZulu oyedwa.
Hayi mawuhlanganiso.
Kamini kwere umZulu. Our king remains our king.
King Misizulu inkosi yethu thina sinika amaZulu namapeli futhi inkosi yawo. I hate everyone who's in parliament. You are stupid, you are insensitive. You are evil. You don't know where you are. You are lost.
Wow.
You should quit it while you can. I'm sure what's my families when anyanya. Since dala sasagcina ukukhuluma i-release angoma bafana hayi ngeke.
Bro.
Hayi ngeke.
Bro.
Sagcina ngale.
Yeah, the last time.
Machine, how did you edit? Why were they burping like that?
They were burping like that.
That's what was happening, bro.
Where were you?
Was that an actual burp or?
They were burping like that.
I see my effects. No. That was the actual burp.
I thought it was an effect.
Yay.
They're big peppers.
It was massive.
Izango made purple.
It was massive.
Wow.
It was massive.
bebathokozile bokhokho.
Yeah, it was very nice. It was a very nice episode.
So
I love it too.
I don't know about you, when I've been paid it because ngiyazi ukuthiwa kusamele ubone sisters. I don't know whether you went there to consult or anything.
Nah, I'm Gucci fam.
You
Really,
fam.
man?
Nah, fam. Nah.
Why not?
Huh?
Why not?
Because for some reason, I always feel like it's people are just saying things. Because like I'm okay. I'm not saying what's plan baby or anything. What's plan consult or anything. But then it wasn't something with magic. It then stuck in my head. I was like, oh shit, I can't move, I can't operate. I have to go there and consult. I was like, nah, man. It's life, too. If something has to happen, it will eventually happen. So it's whatever.
Okay, since ungekho kulento leyo ukuthi anti uthaqamba manje.
I'm not saying she's lying. I'm not saying they.
What did she say?
No, angisho bethu now. Umkhulu waqina wathi mina ngikhosathi kuyigogo la. Mangifika kuyigogo then the other lady she like
the other gogo.
Yeah.
And call them ladies.
Yeah,
the other gogo said, "I when lana sematolini you can't yabona meeting those things kanjalo because bambe meeting." So I was like, "Okay, fine. What's inside my number?" I took the numbers. Then I got home. I was like, man,
fuck that shit.
Axis, bro. Axis.
That's what you said.
Nah, I never said that.
In your head.
If I had that mentality, banging what's out of my number. So I had an interest to hear what ufuna ukuthini. But then ngeze ukuthi uhlala kuphi. Kahlala ngenkani. That just threw me off and I was like, kuthini kanje ngofikela ubana most busy. I was like,
kulo kahlala ngenkani uthi. No, kantombazana
mfowethu. Because the only time I have free is on Sundays, and Sundays we have a podcast.
Okay.
Sometimes I'm busy even on a Sunday.
All right.
So you see, it's catching thing and now. So like, okay, calling is going to be pointless.
Who busy?
Who busy though?
Okay, ube useful to.
Mina yazi ukuthi
usitholele iphuzo. Bayithi. Yazi mangekho pack la kuyacaca intake.
Yazi ukuthi Pack ne is not the best person in the world, eh? But he's the most awesome one.
Yeah.
Like Pack does not need to be told, man.
This one needs to be told. This one needs to be told to get us drinks. He needs to be told to edit. He needs to be told to upload.
But then when it comes to the drinks, I get you, Mata, because they're saying to wash on a Sunday with one land is
No.
I get you, but then we have to tap in.
What you get up? But you must know.
Mina.
Yeah.
Wait, before him. But you must know ukuthi mshini makangale ne. You just balekile.
Yeah, because
So he
Mara, you know.
asimthumi sithe siyathina ngichance ukukhuluma. Uthe ngangene emlonyeni. Sizama ukulungisa lento leyo. Next time uma usukleshisa istage. Don't interfere my way.
it's i-wavelength yakho.
Yeah, bro.
Jange crest.
What's wrong with you? Actually, yes, what is the way
You were saying something.
You want to something. What's up?
Auntie,
Like,
you know what's happening? I'm like,
Made the plate in Katia Pagumuntu.
He's not dishing
What
up. He's
she-
busy talking. Up is uyabonda ngale. Come on.
I saw you got a board. Was you got a
she's silent. I share.
Yes, yes.
No, ngibuthi sengiyazizwa ukuthi ngiyadineka ngizomphoqa. Oh manje. I'm trying to change as a person. Ngisafuna ukuphoqana.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I'm trying. I feel like phoqana kakhulu,
You
yabo.
are evolving, my dog.
There's some idiot who
Can't say
bought
corona because
some idiot who bought Facebook what he ate.
Also uyakutshela ufuna ukuthi ukachubele ukujicabanga uyitshele like ukuyitshela mfethu is the best thing you can do for yourself. Imagine yabo mina I grew up thinking I am not the most handsome person but ngeke ngabonzo ngeke bangayeke. Awungeke.
Can I tell you something, my dog? Khulu.
Huh?
Yeah, because khona na uzovela be proud and everything. Near my dog, you are not.
Whoa, yabona yiyo la disingafane basitshele lawo. Yabona ukuthi hayi kusitshela. Bazokutshela lokho.
Somebody posted something that relates to what I do
Okay.
at work.
Okay.
And then magaqeda somebody wangitagger on that post.
What buya la?
Yeah.
So uvesane wangitagger uyacomment omunye usisi mubi nokuba mubi. Wathi
She's not
ngeke
the most
kaphendule
looking
ke lo uyitshela kabi. Ha ngathi ngiyaphendula ngathi ngijwayela nje kabi. Mhlawumbe I might trend
Oh shit.
ukuthi ngiphoqa umuntu ngoba ngijwayela kabi.
Yazi nje abantu bethu angibazi kanjani bro.
Like bangifaka into engingayazi mina. So why must I respond to things I did not post? Ngibuza ngento mina engilokhu njani epostwe yimi. Hayi ukuthi wena usukele kuyofaka into so ufuna mina ngicomment kuyo.
Imagine.
Mina ngiyayifunda nje ngiyibuke ngithi wow, okay. So who's getting our drinks and then we can start the show. Oh, we've been starting.
You sure we started? Before she starts, before we learn my drinks, I spoke to Soul Penduga yesterday, guys.
Oh shit, you spoke to me.
Oh no, video call, bruh.
Oh,
I was crying.
I don't know.
Manje ngisengubeni uthe sandile uleleleni ngisandile kubeni. I was like no islima lo.
That's your new
Bruh. Yo bro, I felt my goosebumps. Yazi kale wenzakala ngibona Andile usehlale forza ngathi usola.
Oh.
So Andile is busy. Uyapost umna ngithi kunosola lapho ngithi baba ngizokufonela ulethe Soul Penduga ngikhulume naye manje. I'm thinking Andile is going to be like awujwayela kabi. Fona wamampela ungitsitsi. Hayi uthi nangi Soul Penduga. Mangithi fona Andile Rike. Chi. How. Soli.
Nice.
Uthi Soli. Yeah, bathi ngisandile ulele. Sandile nkubeni. Yadika. Cabanga iplay ungakhombisa ikhona le video on WhatsApp.
We didn't doubt you. So why?
Yeah,
No.
but then you can show us.
Anti ngiyasitshela mina musungitshela.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so wenzani manje? Wenza lento ongayifuni. Ngifuna ukukhombisa ukuthi uvele kanjani uSolo ukuze ngimbone. Nangi la bu. Fana ngiyisave ngisendele yona machine uzomveza uSolo. Uzala gas please. Zino Soul Penduga. Nangi.
Oh shit, Soliano. My dog.
He's yaphlehliso.
Hey, cabanga mangiceda lapho ngimbona ku Instagram. Ngiyambona ukuthi uphethwe yipapalazi. His life is trying to figure out things ngithi awusolo uyaphila ayaphila uSolo because la ngabo mabu isikhathi ku late mfethu but ekseni ngabo 6 bese saka live ngithi iyaphila lo mjidi cha ngabo 12 la 12 am ngo6 uvukile live ulale nini asilale lesithulo
No, abanye i-alcohol tolerance yabo
It's very high.
yeah
So bayakhona ukuthi njengami nje mine is somehow very high. Well, not very high,
You
it
know,
is.
you know why yours is high?
Why?
You sleep when I'm so tired.
Exactly. You must do that.
No, I can't sleep in clean abantu. And that's what you do.
Aye.
I mean, my
Bosenza kahle wako-rap.
Yazenza sakhile hayi lo buthongo lo i-black south sakhile ulala anibuka masadaka kahle umuntu umthole sekathe nje. And you must know he's sleeping. Engqondweni yakhe his body is resting everything. Not his eyes are open. It's like
system is busy rebooting.
yeah.
Talking about abantu abalalayo shem RIP to Bendisha.
Oh man, man, no, Mr. Fake Friends. It's no, that's what he would say to me.
I know.
Oh, it's Mount Shagapet. It sounds like he had fake friends.
No, I know what you mean.
Oh yes. Then he had to that hot man. That hot man.
He was
bro.
troublesome. That one.
That hot man, bro. Like I want, like if my things, no, I would if now that my things are going to go according to God, according to how it was supposed to be. I'm going to live a similar life because that near to any video where he was Uchila Ezinyi, like I'm sure it's Nganik Nayabo. So they were sharing, I think they were sharing expensive cognac. It's either McKellen or Hennis or whatever. So
Hennis is not expensive, but anyways, I think yes.
no, Pala, it depends on years, bro. Come on.
McLean.
Yeah. What do we call this? Martin? Martin Manle?
Mattel, I love that.
Not Mattel, man.
Yeah, carry on with your expensive.
But when ngifuna ukudeliver indaba ezinje ukuthi beyine VS kuphela sene VS manje ngikhumbula ngizotshela ukuthi ngikhuluma yini. So he was drinking with them, sharing with them. So uyalibona Silia phela bo as Rodman masafika phana indawo and uyabona Sihleli awusafuna ukuthi kuthengwe elinye uda kakhulu uyalithatha ulibeke kwakhe uthi njothi ngibeke semshini manje sekuphuza uRodman ikhwele la keeping you mfana uthi sokukhipha ngama 100 kaso hamba no 10 codings in manje. They were like Ukom is not akathi hey angisaphuzi nani but he's like yo
I still got you.
yeah I got you but
Marane bayahlupheza abantu abenza njalo. There's an artist of ours that I don't want to mention.
kade ngayibambi.
Yeah.
This is Amsterdam there. So he was busy emceeing. This nigga bought 2 Gordons. I figured apart. Ngaphethe Hennis or Johnny Walker.
Which show?
Okay, either or between Hennis and Johnny Walker.
Hennis, I can say Hennis.
Oh yeah, Hennis because when I'm going out in Puza,
Yeah.
Pretty much a Henny guy.
So
yeah, he's any boy.
So Mang figured apart. He sees me sitting alone because the friend engimzele ubusy lapha yana. Ngihleli lapha. Mayifika iyeka amabhodlela akhe awu2 akakavuki.
Ngeleleni
Zongeleni.
disrespectful.
Hayi shem no angazi noma but amandla ayefika but sayithi wakhona.
Oh, two, oh, come on. Uzothenga izax.
Yeah,
He could have bought one.
Not izax
Excuse.
Yeah.
Oh, I
You
know. all right. Now, okay. Wow.
So uthenge 2. Wawayeka wathi ay Mr S. Hey kustaff here.
But what Hennes if it's nayo lento le like you can drink anything. Hennes inale taste yayo.
Mina bithi yabona ngithanda i scent yakhona. Drinking it. Yabona bithi yo
Imnandi la shit.
Yo bro, it's very different. Yo, I can't.
Right, like ngaba ne request yokuthi fake everything else, leave Hennessy alone.
Exactly.
But
Bro.
they've been faking it.
Yeah.
Saying Shogona, but the fake one you can we are seasonal smell, but it becomes too coffee like it. Iba
By fake ngendlela ehlukene abanye bahluleka nokukala ispirit because uma tell spirit you can actually smell the actual spirit. Lesi kobe yakufaka sona amagunda lapha. You can actually smell it on the cup. Well, from the cup. Oh,
ngoyangikundile kuze ngibeke inwe zamphansi so.
or Valentine.
yini leyo benikubi ngama-Valentine
Now bekaposta my heart then, and I actually thought ukuthi skipper zakhe khona sokuqala waspost. When you skipper zakhe shanga.
Then you saw it move, ne?
You know, like mangeno now kule second stage, I'm like, I boy second manje le has what's going on, man. So ngabona ukuthi okay bephethe something yana la. Oh, like
it was the tea.
oh yes the
Yes,
tea.
on that
The
day,
beans.
I didn't even know what to do on that day as on Valentine's. Obviously, it's Valentine's. And then I went to see my girl. Obviously, not Henny's. Yeah, I was alone in Henny's.
ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, you popped up like that, my dog.
No, that place is not expensive, bro.
I know, but then you just have coins.
No, what?
Why
Saving
push
coins.
my coins receive? It's
Yeah, I
saving
receive,
for
my dog.
coins.
You have coins.
You're not gonna ask for them when I say yes. No?
Not
I'm
now.
trying.
Not now.
Don't
Not
ask for
now.
coins. I do have coins. Oh, come on now. Coins are there, man. I've got Sakilo on my back.
Yeah.
Understand?
Mr. S doesn't have coins. But he's got
Sorry,
paper.
not
Got
yeah,
paper.
but Sakile is the one that has money. Mr. S is stingy. Sakile Shaba.
No, it's Mr. S, Mr. Spender. The S
Yes.
is for spender.
Whoa.
Stop playing, my dog.
Whoa. So yeah,
It feels weird when my girl calls me Mr. S.
even when my girl calls me oh boy, I hate it.
Oh,
I
shit.
don't. I'm just like
No. It feels weird. I don't want to feel weird. That's why I hate it.
Okay.
Nah.
Now the tea.
You spill the beans.
I don't keep up it into Henny's, sharp. At the Henny's, then I go see my girls. I'm told chilling abangani. Uhlena bantu ngiphinda ngihlale na
Oh,
because of what happened.
okay.
Yabo.
I'm sure you're getting there.
Yeah, I'm gonna get there fast because there's. And then I enjoy when since we're not shooting, I've been troublesome when I'm drunk. And I wanna do this and be proud about it. So I wanna give Zille a public apology. Yabo.
Okay.
So apparently, we spend the night there, some establishment. Kube mnandi, we come here, NPM corner. From where we were coming to NPM, ngabo 12. I don't remember shit getting here. I don't remember shit going back. I only woke up near 15, and that's when things went south.
Okay.
Ngithi ngiyavuka mfethu bathi wena yazi ukuthi Ibrahim if you are my friend let me do this. If I do something to Saul in front of you and then when I wake up Saul is not around and apparently behind Saul would see I was terrorizing his space.
Yeah.
You have no rights disciplining me. The only thing you can do is to tell me, Guti, call Saul. Floppy. Call Saul. Couldn't do anything because I don't know, maybe the person was under the assumption. Because you know what? You can do it actually. Sakili, when one Chelsea, you are my buddy, you're my brother, you're my friend. Not and
Some random.
then you feel like you can discipline me.
Okay.
You understand?
Sorry for laughing in such a serious matter. Yes. Carry on.
It is funny.
Very gloom.
It is funny because now, who are you? It's just a funny situation where I can't even calm down. I wanted to calm down so bad, but I'm listening to how you are belittling me for flopping Dagiwe to my own friend.
Okay. So you came
So
out.
uflop exile.
So Uzile, mangimfonela, I'm like, Zile, what did I do to you? Apparently, or something rude to you. They're not even saying what I said. Can we call it? Hi, umfonela ini, mshola akona afuna ukukhuluma nawe. I'm like, who, Zile?
Yeah, very idiotic.
Like, you tell me ukuthi Zile afuna ukukhuluma nami noma kuthiwa like ngenze something hectic ne? Kuzofanele I understand ukuthi Zile uzofuna ukukhuluma nami angitshela ukuthi
Exactly.
ngiyaphinde ngikhulume ngise. Uzofuna ukungitshela lokho ngikwazi. Angeke azakwenza ngangitshela.
Exactly.
Because apparently Zile uthi side ukuhamba uhambiswe enzile yabona ukuthi esitwana yami is not okay. This nigga is drunk. Angazi ngiso. Uyahamba Zile yabona
What did you
ukuthi
drink, Dandwe?
I drank a lot of things.
And you've got
yeah.
that tendency, but we'll come to that. Finish your story.
Yes.
You've got a
Mangitaki-
tendency of drinking everything that comes your way. And you must
True.
stop doing that, by the way.
They are mixed.
Yeah.
You mix a lot. Fucking
You
shit.
just come up.
I think it's back in the days where I could drink anything and don't pass out. Manje, sekufanele ngigqike into eyi-1. And I appreciate what you're telling me because at the same time, ngicabanga ukuthi bengizokushintsha.
Even though you won't stop, man.
I will now.
Yeah, he needs to stop.
I
I mean,
will.
yazi abantu bafa kanjena phela.
Yes, especially
Because
nje.
uzompasela into uyazi ukuthi no whatever comes.
Yeah, whatever.
Yes.
Then we have to-
Asengakhumbula ukuthi yini ke lesen-VS because I drank that shit too.
What
Le-
is it?
iRemy Martin sen-VS.
Oh yeah.
Yes,
Oh, yeah, okay.
yes. So I drank that too. I think I overdosed on cognac. Cognac ayingiphathi kahle. Gin ngakuphuzelana the whole night.
Oh, shit.
I love cognac. But carry on with this.
No, mina hayi ukuthi yangikhulisa ingenza ngifile ngathi
Body
yeah.
system, yeah.
Yabo. So mfethu all of a sudden I'm being attacked for saying no, you are not in a position
To do what you're
to
doing.
do what you're doing.
Yeah.
It's not your responsibility. Don't tell me shit. And then this person attacks me. That's how I got the fucking blue eye. Nakona texts me how?
It's
Is it
time
a
to
lady?
bloom.
It's a female.
Okay.
Yabo.
Oh yeah, I remember you told me
See-
you were beaten by a
GPV.
female and you couldn't do anything.
See the position on fire. I'm semi-drunk.
No, you were excessively drunk.
Yeah, well, okay.
yeah.
Yes,
Thank you, Mr.
excessively drunk. ne?
Yes.
It's in the morning. I'm still very, very lapho west because ngivuke ngaphuza before baqala lento le rubbish yabo because bebayi-2 yabo. Nakhona kuqala omunye angazi noma into ozona umfana but lo ongathi ekhaya is a female now. Don't dwell on that. So
Already there.
don't distract my wavelength.
Okay.
Yeah. So this lady, we are fagaza now. So I'm like, and then where do you get off? Cause my ngiyaqala ukuthi akusingi ngabantu engangitshela lo ni. Nina nalo muntu engikhuluma ngaye ngimazi ukudlula nina, ngimazi amncane Zile mina. We've been friends sukela asase high school mina Zile mina sengingekho high school until now it got close to the fact that I feel like she's my sister. That's all. So there's no way nginga decide ngivuke ngithi ngifuna ukuhlukumeza Zile. Nina nenza ngazuthi ngabachaza ukuthi nikhuluma ngazuthi ngiyamzonda Zile ngathi ngifana nani and kwababhlunge lo because now sengena kubo because the things that you do don't think ngiyazenza mina kuZile. You understand? So and then nakhona she didn't really attack me lokuthi uyangishaya uphethe ibhodlela yabo like ngathi angigwajisa and then it slips lengishayela yabo.
Are you sure it wasn't intentional?
It was intentional, bro.
So why are you saying
She was
it's
swinging.
So why are you saying
She was swinging to hit me with it, but it wet. Because Bengalvimba, I think it's
Don't
Galvimba.
justify GPV.
Yeah,
GPV does not
Chai,
affect
madam.
I'm a South African man. I'm not supposed to say it like that. Yabo?
Say like that, it is what it is.
So, eyibona le nkinga ngifakwe. Ukuthi manje sekufanele ngibuyisele.
Wangabuyisela.
Wabuyisela.
Yo, if ever they were not there,
What?
everybody had to stand up, bruh. And bayithole basekhoneni futhi igcineni. You know when you stop a bulldozer? Yena besangale ngemuva sekathi ngenzeni. Abona
Uthi wenzeni?
no, manje the reaction that I have. Now I'm not like that, trust me. But now, so you triggered something. So like I don't believe in hitting people, especially with argument. Mine kukhona like this ever.
Yo, mina will hit you.
Yabo. So manje ithi ngiyeza mfana this guy mfana angicele brama type acela konke ungakwenza. It's not going to look pretty for you because ngiyakubona ukuthi into ozoyenza it will look like you are the only one who did something. Because at that time it didn't. I was not bleeding. I was bengathumbanga. So bekungeke kuvele evidence ukuthi nami ngilimele. I want to until maybe ngesibhedlela bayongithinta and then ngisani J88 ngisho ukuthi kuhlungu la bangasese ukuthi okay mhlambe nami ngichayekile yabo into enjalo. So kwaba yiloko but the following I think after 2 days then she tries to reach me. She wants to apologize at the same time.
After 2 days.
Utinami, I said things that were hurtful.
Oh,
I'm like, okay.
you say justify.
You know what's going to happen? I'm going to forgive you for my sake. Because you are constantly reminding yourself.
Yeah.
That means you beat yourself up. So I decided I'll forgive this bitch and I'm just gonna make sure ngihlala nabantu ekufanele ngihlale nabo. Understand? Ungayifaki, one advice that I get from this thing, ngisifakile kule nto le because I was not even supposed to be there. I was there to go mix flower, baby. Hey, baby, happy Valentine's. And being a week Zulu. Being a week Zulu. So I went there to say happy Valentine's.
And this is what you got.
And then I got a blue eye.
Exactly.
So continue.
Listen to you guys. Be a weak Zulu man, and you shall get that.
This thing says I deserve this shit. That's what
you
you
did.
Oh,
You
yes,
deserved
on the Valentine's.
Kwakuyini Valentine ubani yena loyo? Wasenzelani Suzu? Siyamazi Suzu.
Yabo nje sakhuluma ngalo ngicela
Mshini ngivela kahle lapha yazi I feel like my cover is outside.
ngike ngabo ku webstations name. Nginoba ne tenants.
Obuqala
No. Yeah, ngike ngayibuka.
Oh wow.
Yes, wena.
Ngiyajwayela ukuyenza.
Ngabuka ama-episode nje by izigaba zawo. I'm like, hey, people are, no wonder bitches wanna fuck us. These bitches think we got it. Look, I'm not even talking about indawo kulpa like pela, but even how we respect dress code, because now we try to look good when we come here. Hey, imagine these bitches, I'm sure they're like, these motherfuckers are balling off YouTube money.
It was my colleague who said bengihambe naye siyothenga izinto. Well, besothenga impahla. I'm like, I want to buy izinto engizoyiqoka emsebenzini. Man, forget about izinto zasemsebenzini. Dress yourself. Akugqoke kahle kulokhu njana ku podcast uzizwe noma
Yeah.
That's why I try.
Ngiyabonakala.
Ake ngisuke nama ngiyoshoot.
Understand.
Shout out to you. Uyazazi.
Hey,
Shout out to you.
Hey, shout out to you, man. Yeah, you're on the highest frequency there. Hey,
Yeah.
you, we love you.
Guys, what's been trending?
We have a way to say it.
What's on your wave, my dog? Yes.
What's on my wave? There's a story of i-timer elavulela umntana ali protection order. I'm sure you are aware of that story. The timer.
The one that you shared, you saw the one.
Yes, the one. Uvulela umntana ke protection order, and now he's dead. And he's been
at the government morgue.
Yeah, at the government morgue for weeks now. Umchita naye uthi hayi angizingeni now. So how do you approach that situation? Do you forgive and then you carry on? But on a legal perspective as well, ithini le legal protection order seyaphela ngoba seyafile or abenzashoni. Yenza njani lento le?
You know what I would say? What do you want? Oh, fix your belly, your muscle.
So I'm wearing this, by the way, before you come in, I'm wearing this and this for the last time today.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to donate it.
Oh, before I weigh in, something beautiful happened where my clothes that don't fit me anymore were given to somebody that I always wanted to give to. But my mother was a matala side. Mina yazi ukuthi sukela ngisasepolon school bengashiya icathulo zami ngithanda ekhaya noma ngingafuni ukuyigqoka because bengithi mangishile mama would give it to somebody else. Ongemthola shayela ngazibala washanyela ngeJordan lila. Ngithi ngiyafika ngithola umuntu ugqoka uJordan ushanyela imali I'm like hey mama ngiyazi wena ucansa amateki. Those are Jordans. Shanyela kanjani ngalibala. Coming back to your story. It's not the African way for him to exercise in the protection order and put the Western guys on top. It's un-African, but it's unfair to the guy.
Which guy? The dead one or the alive one?
I feel fair or unfair. You feel nothing. It's unfair to the one who's left behind. Everybody knew Guti, I was an heir to this person, and we ended up filing my protection order, and then now he's no more. Maybe I shouldn't tell you look more time.
What would you do? Say you've got money and all of that. Even if you guys were. Okay. Mshini, what would you do?
I think I would tell her the same. I'm like, at the end of the day, it's just like, because it goes back to Singamazulu or we are African. If ever.
Now, right, Max Mazul. Bye.
Mount Zulu in Africa, leyo baba.
I-Africa yonke lezo lonke leyazi ukuthi bawuthi ngumZulu. Yingakho bathi akuphumshana nelilodwa kunelilo kunjani umZulu oyedwa.
Hayi, mawuhlanganisa
Kamini kore umZulu.
So if ever there are certain things ezingenzekanga in a certain way, like culturally it affects you somehow, especially if ever you believe. So in order for you to something into your life, you're like, cause Baba, I went there, Baba could rather do whatever you're supposed to do. Cause even if I'm like some quarter, because if ever make us appeal, maybe we want to figure a day whereby they were gonna be able to talk it out. But at that time, just suck it up and be a bigger person.
You know, my chat is, if ever we were, if these guys were going to appeal and then Besba go in front of a judge and a judge literally grant a protection order, it means the son was a problem too. But the protection order, if you ngoba abakuni protection order nje bangaka assess isimo ukuthi who's a ngubani ku security risk la yabo bayithola nje protection order nguye lo mntwana inkingi so uyinkinga lo mjidi I watched the interview like he's nonchalant yabo it doesn't care, it doesn't touch him. And I know for a fact ukuthi if ever he had inheritance it's time like that ebhekane nayo lo mjida bayangeka azakhulumeka so he knows vele time alingibekela ngalutho. He's being bitter. He's a bitter person. At the same time, I'll be the devil's advocate. If you wanted nothing to do with me while you were still alive, I have no business conducting any funeral for you, Masoshuni. And so, Masibuga ngendlela yokuthi but come on man.
I don't know. For me, I don't know what I would do. I was in not necessarily a similar situation, but where my dad and I are coming from, we come from far,
like
very dark place.
You could say, Manje, you have healed and
my dad and I are best
friends. You come from a dark place, but now you are in a very beautiful place.
Me and that guy,
I love that.
Friends.
I love that feeling.
No man, I'm for that Manje. You think uthi nguma now?
Oh man, we know we know.
So
mina ithama lakho nokucounter uhloniphi but ngibona ngikhumbula ukuthi it's a nigga and nigga relationship.
Exactly.
Yabo so leyo relationship vele ayinayo nje respect. Inothando nje kuphela.
Yes. So how you feel like I don't respect my dad?
No, the way okhuluma naye ngathi ukhuluma nentwana yakho ngishalo ngathi yazi uzosho ukuthi hey, yabona kubalekile kuba netime because now you get to speak to your God like that. Because you know what's my problem? When before ngikhohlwa le ngizobuya kuleya God. But there's this guy who said you don't have to raise your kids. They are older than you. They must raise you. You know, like, this makes sense. But I would say back they must raise you. And what he means by that, you need to change. Indlela also, and they will change you. Their present must change you.
No, I get you.
But it has changed you.
What you are saying to me, it brings hip hop because like I don't know whether it's Kanye or Ricky Rick who said listen to the kids.
Yeah, it was Kanye. Then Ricky said it the African way.
Yeah, but it's adding to what you are saying.
Yes. I'm not jabbing on Ricky, but I feel like Ricky was chopping a lot of Kanye's shit.
He was a very good guy.
Sorry,
you are interrupting my wavelength.
You're on your wavelength.
Yeah.
Hey, sorry.
No, you see, that's the kind of the relationship my dad and I we have. You know, from where we're coming from. Me and that guy, we started like we were strangers.
Mother.
When I decided to move out in Nambi Yokash and all of that, and I'm so grateful to my stepmom who came in and played a very motherly role. And and
Viva comrades.
Board meeting.
Broadcast
Board meeting.
So, Mama came in and then played that role. I even said I owe my graduation to her because she's the reason I even went to varsity.
A true definition of a stepmother, because you know when they remember when I told you what is stepping, what step parenting means. It means you're stepping up.
Exactly, yes.
So, like there's a difference between, and people niggas don't get me wrong, there's a difference between a motherfucker and a step parent, or a father fucker.
Whatever he said. But my dad and I will press the bombers right now.
Yeah.
You know why si kanje?
Yeah.
Wangikhulula yena wathi hayi manje usukhulile, you are at a level where I treat you usungumfowethu.
Ish, bro.
Yes, you are my son, but usungumfowethu because baxakekile naye he calls uthi emfo kanje.
Ngeqiniso phela lakutshela lona mfowethu.
So
the Zulu way.
And we yazi basaba the time I think hamba netwana yamjobo.
Ngishiye ngathi ngamhloniphi.
My dad is crazy as fuck.
There was a time I
The way
don't know.
mama delela ngakhona.
Mshaba.
Sisoshabeni lapha pholiwe.
Shout out to Mshaba, man. It's
Shout
dope.
out to him.
Nami, I remember the first time I met him, and it wasn't a formal introduction with who is who. But I found myself speaking to him like loosely, like Saki, because I'm like, oh, and
That guy is
I
very strict.
realized after the conversation with Haibo, it's a man. Because Saki didn't do with Hainang Baba. I'm going to do the empty to be up. Run. Now me are doing and I'm like, oh, this is Baba. I'm like, and then what's going on now? Hey, dude, I almost said that talk. But my mom born is, I feel like my cool to sharp. Life is hard and you must be on that shit. But buya ngathi ulingana nathi yabona. Ungabi mdala kakhulu life. Ungabi mdala kakhulu. And that's why there's a statement that says a strict father deserves a naughty grandchild, because according if you don't to let that tell your mom is a strict father, but the grandchild like literally like your mom is showing love, but it's irritating.
My son does that.
And that nigga can't do shit. Because manje, it's my granddaughter. Yeah. And I'm tired your dead generation. Come on, man.
Oh, I love my dad, man.
Yeah, I love the dad too, man.
Yeah.
My grandchildren, they become my weakness. No matter they show a soft spot.
The softer side, yeah.
Yes, what would you do, bro? Like I feel to the moment. That's why I embrace Ukzala, Uguti Zalananda. Just that there must be a proper guide towards Ukzalisana, and in Western way, the African way should not be the same. You know why I'm saying this? I want to weigh in. Okay, are you done with your wife?
I think I'm done with my wife. I appreciate my dad. I love my dad.
There's something that is on my wave also. Né? So I'm watching. When I'm on Facebook, most of the time I'm watching reels, and that's the reason why maybe Facebook is going to be the biggest social platform ever made. Understand? So I'm watching these court cases. I love Judge Judy. I love all those judges. So there's a girl there.
Hey, no more says stop Sako.
Judge Judy. Also, oh, sorry. Also, do you think I'm stupid? You think you're smarter than me? How do you answer that question? When you know for a fact, if you say I'm smarter than you,
she's gonna show you.
She's gonna show you what you're not. And she's the smartest woman I know. There was no going to jail. You are sworn in. When she let me come, and if you come with manga. So there's this girl in, let's say, in the state of Pennsylvania, and you know America.
Yeah.
In Mpumalanga there's a different law, in Gauteng there's a different law. Different states have different laws. So in that state, it's like finally.
So in the US, the states are more like the provinces.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So and then this girl uhlala in a religious town. They meet una 17, the guy una 23 years. I'm also challenging my mind. This day I want to go back to that Sunday who was who was into details. So this guy was 23, this guy was 17. They meet in the church choir. They fall in love. The church realizes, okay, these guys, they guide them the right way. They get engaged. They move in together. And then they engage to sexual activities according to them. I'm like, but if you're dating, what is that for? And then they said, we started engaging on sexual activities. They're trying to make this thing look formal. Well, else it's not. So, and then this girl falls pregnant, my nigga. In the state of Pennsylvania, abortion is illegal.
Okay.
And then she moves to the state of California, where abortion is legal. She doesn't want anyone to know what she did that. So the nigga, okay, and there's this chat that says, my body, my rights. The man has no say. Do I keep or I don't keep? What do I do with my body? And I don't want I feel like that's not the African way. We can adopt everything else. But I wish South Africa doesn't adopt that. And then I don't ever say.
Yeah, man, come on.
Yeah, like it's fine. I understand why do they say that, because
why?
You should understand.
No, ngishuthi I understand why because they don't want human reproduction to continue. Some people hate this thing. They have this fascination of owning the world and speeding and buying helicopters and flying and bombing, testing. So this girl goes to California and abortion, and then she wants to come back to the community that does not believe in abortion. She's angry at the fact that the guy told the church, this one went and aborted, and then the church disowned her. Legally, formally. So my chat is, with an abomination and be part of the church.
Well, maybe we also need to try and understand what was the reason for her wanting to abort in the first place. Was the guy present, or Sarah told her something to grandstand on?
Okay, Mr. S, can I please understand this? So, if the father is not present, does that justify with my abortion?
How are you going to raise the kid?
No,
but how are you going to raise the kid?
You're gonna
They
work.
are single parents.
Work
here.
how?
When you're pregnant, they don't hire
She will
you.
not be the first single parent.
But how? Let's say agana mali, agana support yasekhaya. It takes a lot.
I know it takes a lot.
Till she aborted on the second week. You still have more time to hlanganisa a CV there. Work at McDonald's.
How long have you been unemployed?
Me, I've never been unemployed.
My dog.
Like let's change how we look at things, bro.
Come on, man. Let's not be technical.
Let's be real for a second.
Yeah, let's not be technical.
It's not real though.
It is.
Okay.
You see,
How long have let me give you that answer. How long have I been unemployed? Formal employment, 2018. 2018. Formal, even my bank still, the company is still listed on my bank, because I didn't sign a resignation or anything like that. Where I left an office and said, I'm tired. It was 2018. I was like, hey, I'm tired.
My guy, I worked at a youth center for 10 fucking years. Until I lost the job, and then Nakon, I stayed for a year.
Lost or fired?
No, I was not fired because I won that case. Yeah, we need to clarify that one. I won that case.
Wrongfully so.
Yeah, I was wrongfully
Nigga,
fired.
it's a flex to be fired. Why not go to
No,
your
no,
fired?
I was not fired because
just
that idiotic chick was just on her own.
I
things.
didn't like that chick. You know?
I still don't like that chick. Stupid ass.
Wow.
Bitch.
Yo,
But anyway,
Mones Tembele wasn't you Tombe? She's pretty, man. Tembele's pretty, bro.
Just realizing that now.
No, Nkulena, I mean, she, yabo, like,
when I bought
No, I'm not
Sheen.
Yeah.
Hey, that is the wrong thing to say, Sheen.
No, I'm not saying she just got pretty. You must not misunderstand
Oh, so
me.
finally you just took your time to
No,
see it.
and no,
been pretty.
No, wait. She's been pretty.
She's not how.
She's been pretty. Let me tell you. Now she's on another. She reached a new level of prettiness.
Also,
Nimbuke kahle,
so
like
this is her peak.
there's a new prettiness.
You win a cool.
Like Donald Trump's the new prettiness. Tembele's got it. That our father, Asiko is Lima. SJ Donald Trump zoyikakela vele. And wayikakela akase lo akana amabreak eyibonu.
But
Donald Trump
I'm a break.
I allegedly he must come for me if he can. Full of sue Trevor Noah.
I'm a break. However.
Nasemlonyeni ukaka ngomlomo ukaka ngeyibonu.
Like on the real, he was trending last week or a week before that. Like we got during a conference on tour.
What?
Nobody,
Something right.
nobody should try to convince me. I believe it. Nobody can try and sell me that story. I will buy it.
He just couldn't gatekeep it.
He can gatekeep everything beside his shit. Shit all over the place. He shits in America. That's why he's shitting on everyone. He's full of shit.
It's full of shit. He's a shitty person.
He's a shitty person. Nale baba lo muntu wami hairstyle choice kuyabonakala ukuthi ubona nje hairstyle uthi umuntu oyikakelayo.
Shitty hairstyle.
Like so it was interfere kind of with abantu like abahlala naye just because he's the president or he got money, they entertain that vibe.
Yeah, that's how
wait. Just somebody who's
smoking weed, yes.
Man, it smells so nice. Fucking
Yeah, it does.
Wow.
Yeah, weed.
Angizwa nogizwa.
He's smoking real shit. He's smoking good shit.
Yeah, that's good.
Silent.
weed.
Yeah, that's
Silent
good
kid.
How is it?
Angizwa.
You see when he said
Oh!
No, but then it's all. Come on.
he should be the first one to hear it.
Come on.
But this is baked. Yeah, we are baking.
Oh, yeah.
It smells like baked wheat, bro. Like it's,
Oh,
it's,
This is so
in the
nice.
oven.
That's a nice
it's in the
weed,
oven. It's
man.
nice.
My guy, where are you? Can we smoke? Oh, that's
Wow. I
nice.
remember the last time they smoked.
Guys, yazi mina
It
ngicela
wasn't a good look.
ngicela mfethu sibe ne trip this year awukahle.
You were not done with your point before you
Yeah.
jump onto that one.
Leyo intombazane yaposhini. Bengilapha phela mina. So leyo ngibona ngathi it's too sad. It's a sad story. Like ngifila ngathi ngusolo when everybody's trying to be happy and then so you know what's fucked up? You must know.
With the eyes going
The government is doing this. But on a lighter note, there's a card that is called Purple World Jagat Discovery. I hope Discovery sponsors us for this one. But that card, 70%, you get 75% back when you spend at this camp on flights. Like it's a premium card, but you need to earn 200,000 per month. You don't apply for it. They invite you. I'm like, I need that card, bro. So I'm like, oh, that's why people are always in airports. They don't pay for shit.
Yeah.
And people able to discover they have Discovery Lounge. When you go into the airport, if flights my go 2 when you go 12. Uyohlala ku lounge.
And ungena kuqala flights.
Yo.
Yeah. That's how it happens.
priority.
Even though between my business class and everything, ungena kuqala flights before the rest. Bro.
Yeah,
Kukhona vele omunye oshilo wathi bebabuza ukuthi which one what's the English word? Mara bebabuza ukuthi I forgot the English, you will forgive me. But yipi bank the best bank in South Africa? Comment omunye wathi hayi, for me it's discovered. Ungakhomenti uma unganayo i-discovery bag.
Because you don't know.
You don't
Yes.
know. Yeah.
It is. There's so many benefits. It is. The one.
Omunye azokhomenti wathi angifune bo-discover la kungazuthi bakunenkinga iphi i-ATM yakhona. We!
Yambona umuntu.
Totally lost.
Yabo mina ngikhumbula imfethu maybe nalokuthi I have different accounts. I'm not that one person ozothi hayi ukuthi hey kodwa Nkosi
Coin
yami.
like that.
Represent.
No, my
Yes,
I need
different accounts.
very
Yes. Discover.
Different banks.
yeah, I mean
Including Discover.
I'm like I'm like FNP. I'm like FNP. I have different branches.
Oh,
It's
we are
Shata boys.
We are Pride family tree.
But you know why? I was trying to say lento ukuthi town mina sengizobamba iline.
I also don't do that.
Yo bra ngiyithanda Nedbank noma ungafika ngegrant noma ungafika kwenze njani. Ngeke uthone Nedbank nethi ubuya nama 10 rand angaka.
Yeah, that's what I hate about Nedbank. Hey, Nedbank.
But cash is cash, man. Now come on, man.
But then, hey, look at that. I don't know about now, but then I'm not the next thing involved. I mean,
Nedbank.
Because man, hey, because bengispanisa yona samikuthi ngisepitori. So imali yerent bengisola through yona and behlezi nama charges are hectic.
Oh, you need bank intshontshe nokuntshontsha imali.
So eyami rent be always ihlali short
Ngenxa Nedbank.
ngenxa Nedbank. I'm like, oh, fuck.
Yeah.
To explain until I got
Another bank.
until I got used to the that manager.
Yeah.
Yeah, if that manager I clearly understand that sometimes I wouldn't even pay. No. Yeah.
Mina
Shout out to you, though. You know who you are. I know you won't even see this, but then shout out to you.
say his name.
Nah, because about people are not care about me right now, you will never knock on my door. You will never.
We know you.
We
I
see
appreciate
you.
you, dog.
And
I appreciate
we love you for
Bro,
that.
guys, kunelokhu njani. Yazi uStans.
You know, kuthiwa
No. So I posted on the group, on one group there.
Oh, okay.
So
I know what you're talking about.
we need to do activations at the Music Creatives Workshop. So Zoe calls me, Auntie Sakil, I've received ama numbers arranged between Gavin Mbeki and Mkondo. Where do you think we should take the Music Creatives Workshop this year?
The workshop,
Actually,
nobody
the activation. I'm like, a workshop obviously it's in that space.
Yeah.
Ngithi mina I seniyenzile le so Mkondo ngicine at that time, so let it come here. But let me do my groundwork first, and then I'll give you an answer, and then we finalize which we doing it where and all of that. So I post on the Mkondo Creatives group.
Yeah.
Guys, we want to, it's that time of the year, we want to do AMA activations and Music Creatives Workshop. Let me read what Stans wrote.
It's not the only one, even. When you call him, you second that bullshit. That was
So-
bullshit, bro. What he said was bullshit, bro.
Let's hear what was said.
You know in the group?
You're not on that group, you're not a
Just-
creative.
Just
eh?
invite you.
The fuck, where's the group? People are looking much.
Mkondo Music Creatives. You can read from me if you want.
Yeah, let me read from you. So,
On my new phone.
Mr. I got two.
We need to find the
Yeah.
words.
so I gave them three options, which we've got Gavin Mbeki, we've got Mkondo, we've got Msugali.
Yeah.
So Zoe feels like when we went to Msugali, there was a beautiful turnout. So I must check between the two. So Uchige Ustels, thank you for the opportunity to consider hosting the Music Creatives Workshop activations in Mkondo. In my view, we do have creatives in Mkondo who would benefit from the workshop. However, there may be a challenge with attendance, as some creative may not be available due to work commitment, school, or other responsibilities. For that reason, it may be more strategic to consider hosting the activation in either Msugalika local municipality or Governor Mbeki local municipality. These areas might allow for stronger turnout and broader participation, underline that. That said, I remain fully supportive of the initiative and will assist wherever needed to ensure its success.
Doesn't it sound like ChatGPT?
It's
That's ChatGPT.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking.
I use ChatGPT a lot, bro. I can tell you when somebody's using
I want you
ChatGPT.
to know my man, but yeah, walk with
This is ChatGPT, bro.
Oh.
This is ChatGPT.
Wow.
But
So when you had to see the English first, was also to see accent yourself. As long as it challenges this.
I'm not understand. Myself understand.
Wow.
So, what two steps we must take it to
in
all government back?
I understand why he's saying that.
Why?
No, futhi angisho you have to understand why I'm uzongifaka. I know why he's saying that.
Yeah.
Or at least I think I know. He's becoming less and less irrelevant in his mind to the community as an artist.
Yeah.
He doesn't feel loved anymore. At the same time, this is a selfish statement. I'm sorry, it's a selfish statement because he has benefited from this type of vibes for a very long time, where there were no prominent artists or creatives.
Yeah.
Back then, it wasn't something that was like, yeah, khona ama-artist. But bekuthiwa makuthiwa zwakalani bavela abantu who are in love with the arts or who are creatively, talented. So, now for him to say that, ube selfish, and he must never do that. When it comes to his day, so just support your area by all means. Because like, it's not about ukuthi kuzokwenzalani uhlala phi, because uyasho ukuthi wena uzolekelela uze lento iphusheke. Kunabantwana abancane who don't understand ukuthi they need to come out and live this life yokuba creative. But the moment kuthiwa kune music creative workshop or activation and we push it to them, understand, they will then say I think you're born. Understand? Heroes is there, it's coming in. Kids, when they pass that place, there's graffiti and there's all that shit. Bro. You can tell these kids, they like. When I would see art, I'm like, my mind would go to theater, So it goes the same way. That's why I've always called myself an artist before anyone could ever certify me, because I know what goes into my fucking heart and my mind when I listen to music, when I watch a movie, when I see anything that has to do with creativity. I love being creative. So that was a very selfish statement. Okay. Trust me. And you should not consider what he said as something to be true. Okay. Well, it's far from being true. Notice ukuthi Ispansak is getting serious. He's traveling a lot. He's always out of town in Spani. Second, lento ukuthi athi people are commitment nanan. Uyicabangele yena.
Oh, what does it mean?
I don't know. So but benefits.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll say it because usually Vele Opo is an ass, and let me live up to my S-ness. So, so he realized how he was irrelevant last year because of his laziness. Last year, nothing happened for him. But it didn't mean the light is gone. Was why I should get a full moon or perform a full moon. Ngokuthi convince abantu ababhukiwe to perform his songs. That's wrong. What he did there was wrong. You should take advantage as a groot man. You don't do that, Stels, as a groot man. You my boy, we work together, but angithanda into akayenza lokuthi kubhukwe sakhile bese oh boy azothi ngicela ungiboleke mic in between the show and then I MC just because kubhukwe wena boys. Is that okay?
No, it's not. You're riding on my wave, eh?
And you're not even part of wave sessions. But I'm saying
oh wow.
I'm just saying go back on if ever it's songs that he was featured on. What annoyed me was this is his song. And now these guys are on stage. Understand? When you saw Munye MC, the MC of the fucking event, because every MC there was booked there didn't show up and so on. So when you come through, when I've worked really hard and the crowd is in control. It's not alolo that I'm doing there. I listen to the ingondo and control them and keep them calm.
Exactly, yeah.
Understand? So you
mastered that part, eh?
Very well.
But I'm saying, omunye wafika sekazuthi uzoba MC with DJ work. I'm like, you're gonna confuse people, but I'm gonna let it. I was tired. I was like, thank you, but you could have came sasebenzisana the whole show, my nigga. Awukaso MC walo DJ lo. All of a sudden MC. Sakhuluma ngaloko on the lighter side of news, that are sort of what's too lighter, good news.
On a lighter note.
Yes. On a lighter note of things.
Thank you, Mr.
Yes, yeah. Sexually, let's give me as much.
Hayi siyabaleka mfethu.
But amazulu person.
Oh,
That's how they are.
I got to go see bathini uNdlunkulu ka uba umfana kaZolithini konje ngibani Mrs Zulu. Ayilo amkhethe egcineni mfana. Hayi man. Yabona the cream de la cream of African woman. Lomntana ngimbukele ngimlandela ku TikTok most of the time akasesigodlweni uhamba ngenyawo.
Yahlonipha manje.
That was sexy.
Ulamdluli bambiza.
Awulamdluli ngeke khohla.
Shout out.
And uzowashintsha even le bhayili sekunayo la masha manje. Uyambona she's coming in with like queen vibes.
Yeah, before you go to your new point. Le ofuna usichomela ngayo by the congrats by the way.
So you already know this thing. Fuck you.
So kunjani the case, the royal battle has been put to rest
Between
by the highest court in the land.
Oh, finally.
Yes. So by
Which one, the constitutional?
Yeah, constitutional court has ruled.
And then because most people don't know which one is the highest.
The highest is the constitutional court. So once you reach there, that's the apex court.
Once they say no,
you can't, because Smagate wanted to appeal. I say application yake ku Supreme Court of Appeal. And then the court was like, nah, fam.
No, masulethi now in that.
Nah, fam. Lento yako up to lamanza washis.
Ibeyibanda kodwa nje.
Yeah, so our king remains our king.
King Misizulu, inkosi yethu thina sinika amazulu ene namapeli futhi uyayo inkosi yawo.
Namashangano
Konke inkosi yawo konke nje. Ngoba phela yazi uthi nje enye into futhi but look at how before ngizoya kule on the lighter side of things, ne. Look at how KZN is seen as the villain of the country when they are trying to fix something that the government is afraid to fix but wants to be fixed. And that's why even that gay, I'm sorry, not that stupid boy Cyril. The stupid boy. Fana, I have no respect for anybody who's in parliament at this moment. I have no respect for anybody. And it's something that I wanted to talk about, but I want to talk about, I think, let's talk about Crow Lifestyle Lounge, where we are invited, all of us, as a team, and it might be a place where, because I'm going to be a resident MC outside.
You had to say that.
So
You had to say that.
But it is true.
Why must you hide it?
Why must I hide some factual shit? Oh, yeah. But
Can we fact check that?
And I want fact checker. But what I want to say, I don't want to lie. I don't want to hide. How it went. I also want to talk to everybody who says there's gatekeeping in the industry. Fuck you. I looked for your numbers as a crowd. I called them. I told them who I am. That was when they were. I saw pictures from Tamla's. I was like, I like this place. And then
I've liked the place. Besara Pamlot. Sasebenza the Pamlot. I was like, can't you follow in Lendau?
May 27 separate.
Yeah.
But see, this is I'm talking about something. I spoke to them a year ago.
Yeah.
And they called me last month. They called me last month. I mean 2 weeks back even.
Yeah.
To say, yo, bro, we even had to look for a number because but now when we started asking about you, we realized I was just saying on the Manvula, I wanna come through.
Yeah.
I know the vibe and I later on that day. They're like, yo,
We want to lock you in.
let's have a resident type of vibe. I'm like, hey, fanele ngifonele sicela kantanzi ngimbuza ukuthi iyaphilisana leyo Shandisi. But I'm like, fuck it. When I was on a quotation,
Yeah.
and I said, this is what I want. These are my demands. They're like, yo, nigga. And I was like, me, nah, I don't come alone, Chef. I'm sorry. I have a videographer. I have a team. Those people are going to come on that day, or even when you have an event that is prior.
Yeah.
Holla at a nigga. Because I understand, Gucci, when you're approaching a grand opening, you have to have it dry run. I will explain it dry run, Gwabanya Band. I'm sure you know.
Come on, fuck it.
Ngithe I'm sure. So kuzoba ne dry.
Yazi unedoubt nje awungithathele ekhanda shema.
Uyabona ukuthi uyayazi kwamampela the passion behind kumdelela kwami. So kuzoba ne dry run, so we're going to go to the dry run, we're going to have food there. We're going to shoot the episode there.
I know Machine is proud.
Yeah, Machine is happy.
Since you mentioned food.
Yeah.
I thought you were talking about shooting.
No, we know it's food.
We know Machine.
We know you love food, bro.
No.
You even make it.
Exactly.
You know?
By the way, before you continue, sorry to interrupt. He makes the best burgers.
All right. Wow.
I even nala amabheke siwathenga edrop nadurayo. They don't.
I'm saying wow because I want to offend him, but it didn't get offended. Fuck. Ngiyangisha ke mshini mangifuna ibhanga.
Ayithenga phela yikho mahala.
No, ngithi nisathi sasemakadeni. Ngibona 3 times ngithi ntwana mawuza ngapha party bag. But I think load basaqala bo. Now you are rolling, I'm sure.
But I don't know why.
But then you must
Last
say
time I bought you a burger for free. When you order burger, I cancel order it. I was like,
Oh,
food.
that is the last time. I'm talking about 3 times where you couldn't deliver. But now you deliver. I'm not saying...
Why are you focusing on the negative?
Because I'm African. Infused... No, not... I'm in Africa, infiltrated by Western shades. Yeah, because... I said something about white people is not okay.
When I finish your point, man, about white people. Necessary sponsorship.
Fuck them! Sponsorship, son. Fuck them, bro. We don't need white people, bro.
Fuck you, on the low.
And you must know something, eh? I don't hate white people. When I say fuck them, I'm saying fuck what you think you are. If you want to be racist, go do it in Europe. In Africa, you must bow to the fucking ancestors. I don't hate them. I love them. Bruh, I love white people. But the point is, we're going to Crow Lounge, Crow Lifestyle Lounge in Tswepe.
I swear.
Yes, but Nesizulu in Tswepe. That place is going to be lit, man. Beautiful scenery.
Yeah, beautiful. I love it.
The design, is nice. And the plan, Mangiza Zil, the DJ, she wants to bring premium quality, you know.
Shit.
Yeah, shit, bro. Like she wants to do. So there's big artists that are coming on the 27th. So it's gonna be the 27th and the 28th. So, and you are catered for your favorite artist is coming. I can't say it now because.
Okay.
Yeah, one of your favorite artists is coming on the 28th. So we'll be there from May 27 and May 28.
Wow.
Yeah, and you won't believe it, bruh. So I can't say it off air. We'll tell you who's coming.
Nah.
Yeah, because we can't.
I wonder who that is because Machine
It's not a page.
No, I'm not.
You don't have a favorite artist page, one. Such a sexist.
No, I do actually. Yeah.
Who?
It used to be
Exactly.
Dej
Oh yeah, Dej Low.
used to be
But he looks like a nigga, so that's why.
Yeah, nigga like.
Yeah, he's a nigga like.
No man, I like female
You're
artists.
on the nigger
right?
shit.
When you don't respect nigga, bitches when.
You're on your nigger shit.
When you don't
I like
bitches,
female artists, bro. Come on, what you mean?
So before Svala, I just couldn't into yeah, hey, spoke more. We've been rolling. So
I'm sure like she has to reach out.
It's 12 minutes after an hour.
An hour. I just want to talk about the Sona debate where the only thing that's why I don't like all of them, bro. I hate all of them. With passion, bro. I hate Gaten McKenzie. I hate everyone who's in parliament. I hate everyone who's in parliament. I want to say, I want you to make a reel out of this thing. I hate everyone who's in parliament. You are stupid. You are insensitive. You are evil. You don't know where you are. You are lost.
Wow.
You should quit it while you can. I'm sure what's my families when anyanya. Okay, like let's say. Your auntie obviously when after Sona there's a debate, right? So Ulonzi, the guy from
we know Lonzi, carry on.
He doesn't know Ulonzi.
He doesn't have to. With the talent, not him. I'm joking, Shini.
You must tell him who Sihle Lonzi is.
Sihle Lonzi is an EFF guy who shaking everything there.
A brilliant young man who's
very brilliant.
He's a new Josie.
No.
He's on his own.
He's a new.
No, let's not do that. Sihle Lonzi, Brian. Lonzi, I mean. Bona manje. So, but Sihle
For the
is.
sake of this conversation, yes.
Yeah. Cause so this boy, yeah, he's a boy. He's a boy. He's younger than me. I can tell.
Oh.
Yeah, he is younger. He's
and I like
younger than me.
Yes, I like the fact that he is like boy. Before that day, I think I follow him, just that he's in the wrong parts.
Yeah.
EFF. That's a
That's
lost cause, no parts. Don't know what you bear fear in the parliament, but lend them a party into a limb. As I limb. Yeah, but nipis no blame. Oh, one day. But honestly, sometimes I feel like dictatorship or worship culture. I don't like that shit. Understand? If ever there's a party, we must not have someone. That's the leader. No, that's the only thing I hate about Lama Party. So Ulonzi is speaking about Point Elvis Ekinin. I think he was strategic about it because he's a brilliant man. He knew if I raise this Ponce and Palele's cat, it's going to fly. He speaks about Beachelo Cyril, releasana ama degrees wabantu. Qedani ikwele zabantu abanama degrees. Banikezena ama degrees. Nithi baqhashwa kanjani ngaphandle kwama degrees. Khiphani qishani ikwele zabantu abanama degrees. Umuntu ongaqualify ongana degree miye sesingabona. But laba nama degree, laba bavinjwe nje inyuko banikezena ama degrees. Bra asathi ukhuluma leyo point lelo. I think he was strategic, but ukuveza ubulima balawo bakhona. Hey, Soga, your time is over, bruh. I don't think you must. You must never be political about shit that is not political. Understand? That shit is not political. Impilo zabantu lezia. La lokshini ngakbalela mfethu mina up to 100 yabantu who are not okay mentally right now. Who are graduates, and those graduates don't have degrees. Because
how do you graduate and not have ball? Stupid me.
You ceremony for graduation, but you qualify.
Fake my IC na itu yabo ngiyazithela manje ngoba iyashisa.
Ma qualify, kufana nomuntu one degree ongayo ukuthi
wow.
Isa my IC mareke my IC. You understand? I'm glad you get my point now. We have to involve Pia in order for you to understand. So I was talking about it. But ngiyacela manje.
The box job.
Yazi kwazi question elinye time Let's tshontsha. Hayibo. Asifuni vele leader ezohamba ngeconquest. Tshontshe Brian. But spana dog.
Exactly.
Spana dog. Ungathi uyikhansela, you don't have a car. How busy am I meeting?
Yeah, we have majority of our councillors don't have cars. How do they get to their meetings?
We cancela kanjani ungana moto?
Abanayo.
Shoot wena awazi ukuthi kunesikweletu sokuthenga mhlambe iPolo 40k. Stupid.
No.
They get
Kind
paid.
of something.
Bahola imali serious. I'm sure it's more than 20.
No, but bengicabanga lo bathi sengazohlulwe installment.
Hayi.
You didn't catch it.
Awungizwela kahle.
Sakhile ungena. Angayithenga ke sakhile imoto.
I know very well imali you.
Simboyithi uzamile wabona nje. Whoa.
Ufakile unyawo.
I got more important things to do.
It's okay.
I need you, but I don't need you right now.
Not now. Not
Wait.
now. Yeah.
But I'm sure Masakile Mawe Kansela would not walk.
Yeah.
No, I'm not gonna walk for the rest of the year, by the way.
Exactly.
Yes, we were done walking.
Yeah,
We are done walking. Wave station is going to go up.
Yo, guys, you know, when I took the car back,
Yeah.
yes, it was a very traumatic experience for me.
Yeah.
The following day. So I went to see, you know, my house. Lemonto Begipa next to my window.
Yeah. Oh.
So, ekuseni mangivuka, I opened the curtains, opened the windows.
And you're like,
No, mangivula the second day, angithi ngihambisile ngi.
Ish.
I'm like, fuck.
Something's
Okay, wait,
missing.
where's the car? Oh, I called these guys. Guys, can you please check the car where it is? I don't know where it is. I parked it here last night and I'm sure I was not drunk and whatnot. Please assist. But Mr. Shaba,
you brought back the car.
please relax. The car is with us. We paid last night. Yesterday afternoon.
Oh my
No.
goodness.
And then ngivuke ngalesikhathi lesi because manje because ngihamba nge-staff sasemsebenzini ngivuka with
Ngesikhathi esithize, yeah.
so the khathi nginemoto bengivuka ngiyazi ukuthi bengivuka ngo-6.
You guys must discharge.
Yeah.
I mean I drive about 5-10 minutes depending on traffic.
Yeah.
Ngivuka ngaleso sikhathi mangithi imoto is not there.
Nkosi yami.
Yeah, it was a traumatic experience.
Nkosi
I
yami.
can imagine.
Shit. And my msebenzi bangidelela njengoba la ku-H
No, manje azange basadonsa installment.
Anyways, you spoke about Stelo Kantanzi.
Yes, Tarantanzi.
With Lovers Market, Marshalltown, Weather Up Sessions, curated by Sabelo Sogo. 27 February 2026. It's gonna be at 7 Loveday Street in Marshalltown in Joburg.
Yes.
Stelo is going to be there all the way from Mkondo, going to Johannesburg to represent. On the lineup, Uno Gwanele Nyembe, Kaida, and Letter to Him. Like I've said, it's curated. Yes, I'm getting invalid with Stelo Kantanzi. Okay, Stelo Kantanzi is also on the lineup. I'm going there. I don't know about you. So I'm going there.
We have to organize. We chose in
Yeah, 27 Feb 2026. 50 rand gets you in.
So there's some kind of mahalas, you know.
Oh well, yeah. And then the best news also, we coming back this year.
Miss Mkondo in the building.
Yeah, so we coming back this year. I'm just finalizing a few things with our sponsors, and as soon as that is finalized, we are going to release a poster very soon for auditions. We're looking at hosting between October and November because December is very busy.
Okay, ngicela ukufaka ipimple kule ndaba.
Nami ngicela mshini ukuthi angaboni Switzerland and make pop up something.
Don't be cray wena.
Soft thoughts. Yes, people live.
Pimple ukuthi ngicela after party khona ngizoba MC nje.
Yes, we will have an after party. By the way, one of the prizes
Ngisho ukuthi khona ngizoba MC uzule.
yeah, obviously. You wanna MC the after party or the actual show? I
No,
was
the
thinking
after
of
party.
The actual show.
Ha! Sakinto lezo wawe mina ngeke. But if you want to put me in, I'm willing, I'm happy to learn because obviously I'll be guided and
Yes.
I know. No, I'm in.
So yes, Mshini.
Who was your last MC on your last?
The last one was think I can't remember, but if my memory serves me well, it's ODT and Zile.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Just confirming.
beautiful show, but I think I still need them.
Yeah, you can have them. That's why I want the after part because I'm tired of taking people's bread.
Ungangidurela kakhulu ithi siya.
And I'm, I'm expensive.
By the way, my friend is in China.
Who's that friend who's in China?
Ngob is in China.
Ah, was Georgia.
We are still it's some episode.
But Italy or what?
I think it was Italy, yeah.
It was China.
Hey,
it was China.
manje ngizosithola kahle mfana.
Oh boy, don't take it a nigga, ba.
Ngisho I'm not taking a nigga. Congratulations Ngobi, but ozozama nje ukwenza into ezisinakho kuNgobi sizoyifikela seduza kani. Duze kabi lapha.
Yeah, so he's in China, he's gigging in China, he's gonna be there for a couple of months.
Wow,
Yeah,
man.
we chat.
Doing great things.
Doing great things.
Doing great
Time
things,
difference
bro.
iyahlupha. Unokungifonela ngilele kanti yena uvukile ngale eChina.
Oh, wow.
So yeah. And they rendered a very beautiful rendition at the Kabule funeral, Iana Nopo.
Yeah. Oh, that was
It was
late.
very
That was late.
beautiful.
It was late, man. It was late.
And bengimtshela ngithi I hope ukuthi between October and November you'll be back because I want you and Poki to do something for Miss Mkondo.
Nice,
The opening.
nice.
I want them to do the opening. So we're going to release posters very soon and then we need to run auditions.
Yes.
One of the prizes this year we are including a cash prize. So yeah.
What?
So it's going to be a cash prize, driver's license, laptop, cell phone and all of that. Yeah.
Abanga kubalekile kunawo konke lokhu shilo driver's license.
Yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing as the Miss Mkondo organization. And yeah, we coming bigger and better.
Are we excited, man? We're very excited.
I'm also excited.
I'm excited because I was looking at who Azana, you know Azana?
Azana, I'm gonna text her tomorrow.
Please try get Azana.
Yeah, I wanna get Azana to come
Yo.
for Miss Mkondo.
You know what I'm not saying it's gonna be easy. You know she's gonna love to she would love to come.
Yeah. I'm
Because
gonna,
she's Azana is doing something.
I only got my contacts. Okay, I think it was yesterday. Being busy on Instagram, and because she always pops up on my Facebook reels and whatnot.
And
So
my
I'm gonna try and get Azana. I'm
Yes.
going to try Note
yes.
and
But
get, and
how-
hopefully I will get her.
there's different ways. 'Cause-
Keyword try.
Yeah, no, we are going to get her. We are going to get her. Azana ngathandi, you know.
So I want Azana. I want Mawelele as well.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So I want those two.
They match.
Because ngifuna uMawelele I perform ends a live performance on the last segment of the show where they do the evening gowns and whatnot. I think his music fits. with
Yes,
what
it
I
does.
want.
Oh,
Yeah,
it
so
does. It does. Model is tough, man.
Yours doesn't.
I'm looking at those two guys, and obviously I'm gonna get judges that are not from here,
Yeah.
from Joe.
Please make sure you also invite my sister. There was Onzalo just
Oh yes,
2
yes.
days ago. My, it's the time man,
Yes.
shine the flag. You
Yes.
like I'm proud of you, my sister.
Very proud. We are very proud.
Yes, we are very sorry guys for involving you.
Exactly.
in
Oh,
our-
for involving-
for not involving you in my family matters. Yabo.
You?
I'm proud of you, Sisi. I mean, it's still lamb.
We know.
We are proud of you.
As Mkondo, as web sessions, we are proud.
No, also I just want to say shout out to there's 2 or 3 ladies I can't recall. There's 4 ladies who were promised money to take over Miss Mkondo since I was quiet, and they were like, no, this is the person who does Miss Mkondo, and they came to me and they were like,
Oh,
my guy, we can try and assist, and those guys wanted to
take over.
I mean, bafaki mali into the project, we can bring them on board. So I appreciate those ladies.
Wow.
I've got 2 Zanele, I've got 2 Pure Kuhle. And then shout out to Gazi who's been there. Gazi ke bekathe this year whether I like it or not, we're doing Miss Mkondo.
Beyacacisela.
Wangitshela ukuthi bhuti uzobona sekuthumelela iposter mina sengizenzela ama-auditions.
Plus,
Ukuthi imali uzoyithola phi ukuthi siyenze
Ibonakala
uzozibona. So
kakhulu.
shout out. So we have I'm going to be introducing the team also behind the Miss Mkondo brand.
yeah.
Because there's people who were like, dude, please do it. I'll talk to the ladies. For me, personally, it costs a lot to stage such an event.
Yeah.
But there's growing interest ukuthi I must start ngabo Pikinini and all of that. I am considering that. I'm gonna sit down with the team and then see if we will have the muscle to do that. But if you're interested, just follow us on Facebook. It's Miss Mkondo Pageant. On Instagram, Miss_Mkondo, I think. Yeah. And then we'll try and create a TikTok page and all of that. Yeah, we'll post that.
Yeah.
It's going to be a great year.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, hey. Swenka Wamapinga.
Oh, shout out to Swenka Wamapinga. Yazi Nkosi yami.
Phazima Nhlanga. Thank you for representing us.
Yo.
In Ivory Coast. I'm just saying. But Swenka Wamapinga, thank you so much. And I love the resilience, the passion, the drive that you have. I think music wakho ntasekhaya says
Right.
siyabongela kakhulu, you know. Nomasipala ukhomisile umrecognize uMasipala.
I hope
who don't understand.
So Swenka Wamapinga, the lady used to be with Inganzoma.
Nganzoma, yes.
And then she branched out alone. She's doing Umaskan. You know the lady, man. Yeah.
You just want content for people.
Yes,
Context,
so those who don't know. So she texted me, I think last year or this year, she wanted support and whatnot because she's been selected to represent South Africa in the Ivory Coast. So Swenka Wamapinga, I think she took about 15 young creatives from Mkondo.
Yeah.
They are flying to Ivory Coast. So umculo wethu wesiZulu
We're Ivory Coast.
Ivory Coast. Shout out to Swenka Wamapinga.
Yes.
And siyabonga ukuthi uMasipala umrecognizile. And hopefully ukuthi umrecognize kahle ngendlela kufanele umrecognize ngayo. Ningamrecognize for the posts and likes.
Mhlampe wena usabancenga ngoba nisazosenza.
No, angibancengi. I'm just saying.
Not even looking for employment from them, because I know abanye babo landa abantu baseKaslawo abazodelela abachasha abantu basekudeni abantu bakhona location. So nje kunamajita ayi-2 niyazazi bafethu. I respect you so much, but yeke lento eniyenzayo anisiphathi laMkhondo. Ananisiyo inkosi zethu laMkhondo. No-2 Mahrotman yekeni into eniyenzayo niyazazi. But uMasipala ngendlela asho ngayo ubafo ukuthi I hope sinimnikezele imali.
We hope so.
Imali nje kufanele nje nikhiphe ngoba niyintshontsha vele. Kodwa egcineni intshontsheni nibe nisebenza. Leyo Masipala nje wamanje ngitshela fethu yangihlula lento isikontera sibeyabheda.
How sorry before we close.
Siphuza amanzi angcolile.
NgoMasipala SIU.
Oh shit.
Ngifuna ukisho leyo. Mina mfethu Masipala mfethu angisho ukuthi ngiyotelene, but ngekwenze into ephathayo endaweni yakhe. Noma ngayeka Masipala yazingenzakalani laba lapha senza Masipala abayithathe le budget abayitholayo basese le office bayosebenzela somewhere else. We'll see what we can do as a location.
Uyazi a problem of the people who will be implicated kule report SIU. They're definitely going to jail. The former head of SIU is now the head of NPA. And usebenzile lomjita while at SIU. So SIU mayiqeda will hand over to NPA, and this guy
he knows how to finalize things. He's going to finalize.
Yay! Kusazovutha eMkhondo, see you on the next one.
Niyekela ukutshontsha imali. Sabanzani. Or nithengise
We love you. Shivala phela uvulanga kithi.
We love you guys. We'll definitely catch you. We'll definitely catch us on the next episode. But then, what's wavy, my wavy gang? We love you very much. We appreciate you guys. Please do like, subscribe, and tell a friend to join in, tap in, do the things that are supposed to be done. Don't do the things that make the pot to not be done. Just do the things that, just do the right things.
Yeah.
There's a spelling and sponsor about that.
Yeah, when I was born, I said teka. But then it is what it is. We love you guys. We appreciate you guys. Please do please keep on watching the show. Tell my views are cool, guys. Tap in, watch the full episode. I'm going my shorts, go TikTok and everything, because it's calling everywhere. Please do go on YouTube. Give yourself time. It's just and everything. But then it's Kato Stola is singing. Tap in. I'm sure once you tap in, you'll obviously want to watch more of our videos and content. Because video will always bring you guys the best content and everything. So please do the Nenzinte right. Just uhlale.
Guys, I'm also on TikTok, by the way.
Mr. S is on TikTok. Please do subscribe.
Follow.
I know you have many talents. I never been out to a comedian.
Really?
Wow.
All of a sudden, when you come to the TikTok, that was some funny shit, bro.
Only now.
That's some funny shit, bro. All the shit you don't say.
I got to Mr. S is only inside like I was like shocked. That's really Mr. S.
And shout out to our sponsor, NPM Corner.
Yes,
Shout out to
NPM Corner, Colin Jaulo. And Zile, we love you and we miss you.
We love you very much, even though we'll say if you put me in, we'll join us surely. I'll connect because maybe people put me late. But then we still love you, we appreciate you. Surely, who are my episode that are upcoming? The time is up. That's at Pelile. We love you, Popeye.